Hello viewers, let's learn how we can upload a short video properly on YouTube. You are aware that this is a part of my playlist New YouTubers for quicker progress of their channel. Now on screen please. So first of all, open Chrome or any of your browser, then YouTube, open it just like you do normally, and then camera sign appear inside plus. Click on the camera sign and then upload video. Now the process has started. So let's select the file which we made for uploading of our video. Browse the file. Above is FDH and 4K sizes. However, I use another size which is 1080 x 1920. You may use your own. So select the file has been selected. Now title required. Title is the name of your video. Copy and paste, and then description. Better you write few words so your video may be explained, either that is short or a normal or a longer videos. So it's done. As well as we will simply now scroll down, playlist. It's your own created list, so select your list. If you have already made it, click done. And now show more. Click on it. Let's go and note these three. However, in my case, I click no because there is no AI or alteration of any XYZ which applied to this video. So now these are tags. 4 to 5 tags are very beneficial. Either that is short video or a longer video, but it's good for quick progress and access. Now video language, it's up to you which language you do use in your videos. And in caption certification, this content has not on here. Then date, it's optional, but preferably give it a date, as well as location is also once again optional. Now this is very important. Now let's go and click on category and select the right category which is about the contents of your video. So in my case, travel and event. So I am selecting this. You may select your own and then click next. Now this appears. In case if your channel is monetized, it would appear, otherwise it won't. Click none and then submit rating. Now it's properly uploading. Click next once again and add related video and add subtitle. In short, related video is beneficial, so click add. Now click on the video which is more closer to this video, so that is appeared. Click next and then next. Now these three options appear. Unlisted is checked. You can also set public or set as instant premiere, but unlisted is more beneficial, so I suggest to go for this. Click save and our video has been properly now uploading. You will shortly see the name of the video, then visibility unlisted, monetization on, restriction none, as well as date appears. Now let's go and take another step. Click on this arrow and select schedule. Now you will not need to go and public manually. So select a date. Either you would like to publish it today or some other date, and choose a time. I already said a preferable time when you are maximum user on online. So schedule it and it's done. Now this video will automatically be scheduled or public at the time and date. Also another video of LOC Endopark is visible, so if someone comes, he can click it and you will get another view. Thanks for watching.